lovelies! Welcome to my channel Crafts and More. Today we're diving into some super cute crochet fun. Let's look at the possibility to use up those tiny balls of yarn you have laying around and making it into a colorful granny square jumper that's perfect for little girls. I hope you will get inspired, whether you're a crochet newbie or a yarn queen. In this video, I'll share my process of joining the parts into a finished jumper. Please see a separate video where I show how to create an individual granny squares. I have already stitched the shoulder seams, leaving a big enough gap to push the head through. I fold the sleeve in half to find the center, then secure it to the shoulder seam. I'm starting to join sleeves to the jumper using the mattress stitch by going from one side to the other and pushing the needle through 2 loops on each side. After you've done few loose mattress stitches, pull it lightly and seam will become invisible. Front and back are made of 9 squares plus 6 rows of treble stitches. Nothing was pre-planned. I just went with the flow, improvising and comparing the width-height of the jumper with a girl's top in the same size. The sleeve is now attached. Last step, to join the sides using the same mattress stitch. You know the drill. I have thoroughly enjoyed making this jumper. Please let me know your opinion and suggestions in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in my next video.